my love. If I could reach through this moment and hold you close, I would. I am sorry if I have ever let you feel anything less than the treasure you are to me. You are my heart, my everything, the one who completes me in ways I never thought possible. Without you, life feels quiet and heavy. But with you, the world blooms with light and meaning. I love you endlessly. Every smile of yours softens my soul. Every laugh fills me with joy, and every second we share reminds me just how blessed I am to call you mine. When you are not near, I miss you in ways words can't explain. I long for your voice, your warmth, your love that makes me feel alive. You have made my life better in every way. You give me strength when I am weak, and peace when I am restless. You are not just my girlfriend. You are my soulmate, my best friend, my forever. So, my darling, as you go through your day, remember this: my love surrounds you always. I want you tonight, tomorrow, and in every lifetime after this one. Forever yours with all my heart. Thanks for watching. Please do